Natasha, Zahid, Asha, Shreya. Whom should I hire? इससे कहीं ज्यादा सीवीज एक रिक्रूटर को एक दिन में आते हैं. एंड आफ्टर कोविड, जब से हायरिंग फ्रीज हुई है, देर आर सो मेनी पीपल अप्लाइंग फॉर द सेम जॉब. हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स? हाउ वुड अ रिक्रूटर नो दैट यू आर डिफरेंट? रेज्यूमे एक टाइम पे काम करता था. And now with the changing world, there are new ways of getting a job and to differentiate yourself from others. You have to stand out from others as there is a lot of competition. So, what can you do in 2021 to stand out so that you get hired? See, whatever perspectives I would share in this video are from the CEOs, recruiters, hiring managers' perspective. What goes in their mind when they select any application. I give this tip to all the people who have enrolled in my course to not just send a resume. Because resume तो सारे एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं. एक जैसे दिखते हैं. Same to same, same to same, same to same, same to same. I consider all the resumes as a scenery. सबकी सीनरी में कुछ पहाड़ होते हैं, कुछ बर्ड्स होती हैं, एक सूरज होता है, एक हट होती है, रिवर होती है. कुछ लोग तो रिवर में बोट भी बना देते हैं. आप सीनरी में और क्या क्या बनाते हो? डू कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड लेट मी नो. रिमेंबर योर चाइल्डहुड और बताना मुझे. प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, बुलेट पॉइंट्स, हॉबीज, एकेडमिक्स, रेफरेंसेस, जब सब सिमिलर ही चीज लिखते हैं, देन हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट योरसेल्फ? आस्क योरसेल्फ. सो माय एडवाइस इज टू सेंड अ वीडियो रेज्यूमे along with your resume. I help my students to make a powerful video resume. It is actually an art. See, वीडियो रेज्यूमे का पर्पस क्या है? आजकल के डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में रेज्यूमेज आर द सेम. द रिक्रूटर डज नॉट गेट टू नो यू. अगर आप वीडियो रेज्यूमे भेजोगे तो दे माइट सी हाउ डू यू कैरी योरसेल्फ, हाउ डू यू स्पीक. दिस वुड हेल्प देम सी यू, हियर यू, एंड इट माइट हैपन दैट दे एटलीस्ट कॉल यू फॉर द इंटरव्यू. सिर्फ रेज्यूमे देख के रिजेक्ट होने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा हैं. दे वुड रिमेंबर यू इफ दे सी यू एंड हियर यू. वो पक्का आपको एक चांस दे सकते हैं. जस्ट ट्राई डूइंग इट वंस. नाउ यू माइट आस्क मी दैट दिवस, गिव मी सम टिप्स टू रिकॉर्ड अ गुड वीडियो रेज्यूमे. I have made a video on what should go in a video resume. You may check that out in my channel. Just take out your phone and record it. You don't need a professional setup for this. Just sound good and look professional. You may even use a lapel mic. मेरा वाला ये रहा. इसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं टू रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो. वीडियो क्वालिटी आजकल स्मार्टफोन में अच्छी होती है, सो यू नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट इट. ऑल्सो मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट हैव एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस इन द बैकग्राउंड. Just a plain simple wall would do, with no patches, no multicolors, no scenery, no stickers, kuch nahi. Don't sit in a dark, dingy room with no lights. Your video should be well lighted. Your face should get proper light so that your facial expressions are clearly visible. अपने कैमरे को अपनी आई लेवल पे रखना. Buy a tripod for that. अगर नहीं है तो किताबों के ऊपर कैमरे को रख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ट्राइपॉड एक अच्छा रहता है. That's why I recommend it. I would help you with that. Don't worry. Don't send those shaky video resumes to the recruiter. नहीं, वो काम नहीं चलेगा. Try to wear contrasting colors. Black मेरा favorite रहता है तो मैं black ही पहनता हूँ. So don't judge me for that. So try to wear contrasting colors when you record videos for your interviews. For example, if the wall is beige in color, then wear something like dark blue or black. Needless to say, dress up sharply. Your video resume represents you and it tells a lot about you. Now, before you go and record a video, make sure that you rehearse well. Do it until you get a perfect version. See, आजकल ज़्यादा टाइम किसी के पास है नहीं. So there are two versions you can make. Introducing yourself in less than 60 seconds is a template I have already shared in another video. Check that out in my channel. However, it is a good practice to record a video resume for about 4 to 5 minutes also. Now, what can it cover? It can cover a few points like, from where did you get to know about this opening? Yeah, start with that. This helps the recruiter map that from where you got to know about them. Try to use some opening sentences which can be used to send it to all the companies you want to apply. But if you can record multiple versions of it, then you may make it more personal. Just don't sound creepy. Point number 2, summarize. Summarize what they are looking for. This makes the recruiter happy that you as a candidate have researched about them. Point number 3, acknowledge. Acknowledge the fact that you do not have all the qualities that they are looking for and handle them smartly. For example, I know you might be thinking that I do not have enough experience. However, I feel that I'm a clean slate and can easily be molded. This is a smart way of acknowledging your weakness and also telling them your strengths. Point number 4, you tell them why they should hire you. In short, tell them why you are different. You know what? ये आप resume में नहीं बता सकते, ना ही explicitly लिख सकते हो अपने resume में. And that's where the beauty of video resume comes in. जो लोग वीडियो रेज्यूमे नहीं भेजेंगे, they wouldn't be able to sell and tell their differentiating factor. Yes or no? Point number 5, you might also cover something related to your hobbies and interest areas. This would help the recruiter know about your overall personality and that you have diverse interest areas. It would make you more interesting. Yes. And point number 6, I would say that just give them your details as to how they can reach out to you, maybe through email or phone number, and let them know that you look forward to hear from them. See, इस छोटी सी वीडियो से रिक्रूटर को आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चल जाता है. So don't lose this chance. In this year, this tip can definitely get you a lot of job opportunities. थोड़ा odd लगेगा, but do it once and you would be amazed to see the results. I wish you good luck for your future endeavors. मुझे comment section में ज़रूर बताना कि आपको ये टिप कैसी लगी, and do comment awesome in the comment section right away. It motivates me to make more videos just for you. Till then, stay awesome, stay productive.